This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, as like I gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for AUDUSD, and as usual, I'll start off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, as you can see from the weekly time frame, that price got to this resistance area over here around the 0.737 area, and then quickly rejected off its forming this massive bearish candle, and that's what formed last week, and thankfully I was able to capitalize on that move. And the reason why I took that move, I will just point it out to you very quickly, was again, I drew my swing high to my swing low and tried to identify the key Fibonacci area, and you can see that area fell around the 50% Fibonacci level, so which was a strong indication that price could fall from that area, and that was why I took my trade from there. So now currently price is heading down towards this support area here around the 0.7 area, and if you look at past price action, we can see that that area has been tested multiple times, so we can see that that is a key area in which price is heading to at the moment. Okay, so we can see in the past price has held through all through that area, and then last time price got to that area, it was more, or what I would identify as a fake out really, because immediately price broke out of that area, then it quickly bounced back from the next support area and then went back above that area. And if you even go down to the monthly time frame, we can see clearly that that area was price was rejected off that area, and now price is heading down towards that area again, so which makes it very key for us. Now if we go to the daily time frame, well, we can identify two things here. Okay, now we can see how far this this bearish move have gone. We're about 200 pips now in profit, heading to about 250 pips, which I expect price to get towards this area before it gives us any sort of reaction. Now in this area, price could bounce off this area, or price could break it to the downside, and then we can capitalize on both moves as well. If we look closely, we can see that there is an inverse head and shoulder pattern here, with this being the left shoulder, back to the neck, and the head down there, back to the neck again, and then the right shoulder is about to form when it gets down to this 0.7 area. So once it gets to that 0.7 area, then I'm expecting to see some sort of bullish reaction there, and if price gives us a bullish price pattern, then we'll be looking to take our buy trade from there all the way to the top, to the 1.075 area, to give us to complete the inverse head and shoulder pattern. And that move should be able to generate, I think, about at least 300 pips or 400 pips or 450 pips on that move. I'm looking to risk about 100 pips, so that's a very good risk to reward ratio. Okay, and that's if that plays out. But if on the other hand this area breaks to the downside, then we will be looking for price. We'll be looking to sell if this support area breaks, so we'll wait for a retest and then take our sell trade to the next support area down there around the 0.68 area, and that would give us about 200 pips move as well. So that's also a very good trade, but my bias is more towards a buy trade when it gets to the 0.7 area. Apart from the inverse head and shoulder pattern, on that indication for me to take a buy trade is if we draw swing low to swing high, we can see that where price is heading down towards is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, which is the golden ratio. Once price gets there, then like I said, we'll be looking to enter on if price gives us a bullish signal. and then the 4 hour time frame just confirms what we've been talking about. And then on the 4 hour time frame, we'll be looking to take our entry there, and hopefully we should be able to capitalize on that as well. So I hope that you found this video very helpful. The reason why I mentioned inverse head and shoulder pattern again is that inverse head and shoulder patterns are very strong price patterns and usually plays out very well. For example, if we look at this pattern over here, we can see that there is an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and we can see how it ended up playing out with price breaking the neck to the upside and eventually back up there. So if we're able to identify inverse head and shoulder patterns, that was very good patterns to trade, and normally price would respond to that, and which is what I'm expecting with this move there. So we just wait on the 4 hour time frame for price to get to the 0.7 area, and then wait to capitalize on that move. So this has been my analysis for Aussie USD. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met.